Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Oba. Today I'm going to share with you how to turn your soap bars into a lighting soap. It's so easy to make. You are all welcome and don't forget to subscribe. So these are the soap that I'm going to use. I'm using Abana Soap, which is very good for skin cleansing, and also Nano extra white soap, which is good for skin whitening or skin lightening, and Kojic Papaya soap, which is also good for skin whitening. Baby face soap is very good for face and skin because it contains turmeric, and rice milk soap, which contains milk and can lighten and whiten the skin too. So we are going to shred our soap. So you make sure you shred all your soap, or if you don't have a grater, you can use knife and cut it, or a food processor, anything you think you have that can cut the soap into smaller pieces. These soaps are very good for skin lightening or skin whitening, but you can change the soap. If you have any skin lightening soap that you want to, bar soap that you want to make it into a skin lightening, or make it very strong skin lightening soap, you can use that one too, and it will work. And this soap, I bought it from town, a cosmetic shop around my area. So maybe you'll be asking me where I bought it. It's a cosmetic shop around my area that I bought it from. But it's so easy. You can change the soap, use any soap of your choice, because we are going to add lighting ingredient to boost the strength. So you make sure that you grate everything. That's one thing. And this soap, you don't need preservative, and you don't need fragrant or essential oil, because it already contains scent, so it smells so good. And I love soap that contain papaya. Nano and Abana Soap is one of my favorite soap. The rest two are my favorite, but I have been using Nano and Abana Soap sometimes, and I love it very well. So you can try and get one. But one thing is, boosting your lightening soap help your lotion to work very faster. So if you are using a lightening product like lotion and you want it to work faster, you need to use a lightening soap to help boost the strength, so that you can lighten very fast and even exfoliate you. Some people don't know that. All they do is use their lotion alone and use any soap, but some people it works for them. But the best way to use lightening soap or whitening soap, if you are using any skin whitening or skin lightening lotion, and the best way is to exfoliate. That's one thing people don't know. Exfoliate is the key to skin lighting. If you don't exfoliate, it's funny. It's like you are playing game. If you are lucky, you get a clear skin. If you are not lucky, you get patchy skin. So we need 5 grams kojic acid powder. That's what I'm going to use for this soap. You can use any lighting powder of your choice. And you need 5 grams Alpha Arbutin powder. You can use any lightening powder of your choice. Even liquid rice powder will work. You need 5 grams rice flour. Well, even though the other soap contain rice, I still want to boost the strength. And you need 5 grams goat milk powder. If you don't have goat milk powder, you can use cow milk powder, but use a whole milk, WHOLE, whole milk. And we are going to use lemon peel powder too, even though we will use lemon juice to add to it as my liquid. You need 10 grams of vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine is very good for skin moisturizing. So the soap is very dry, so we need something for moisturizing. And we need 30 grams of carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil contains a lot of antioxidant. That's very good for the skin. You can use any oil of your choice. So add your kojic acid powder to the soap, and kojic acid can lighten skin very well, the same as Alpha Arbutin too can lighten skin very well. So Add a goat milk powder. Goat milk powder too can lighten it and the same time exfoliate. So you can see it's easy, and this soap you can make it and sell it. That's what people do, and most people do mixture of soap and sell. You add your rice flour. You can choose to add liquorice powder. You can choose to like any whitening powder that you think it work. You can do that. So you add your lemon peel powder, then you stir the mixture together very well so that everything combined. So any lightening powder or any whitening powder that you think it works, you can add to it and it's going to work very well. Add your carrot seed oil. You can change the carrot seed oil to almond oil, olive oil, any choice of oil that you have available that is good for the skin. You can choose to use that. It's not compulsory. This recipe not compulsory to use the same thing that I'm using. Everything in this recipe is changeable. You can change it. So stir the mixture together until combined. Make sure you stir it very well. The soap smells so good. They smell so good. So everything is changeable. So try and create this and you are going to love this soap. This soap is very good for the face too. So you cut one fresh lemon. So I'm going to use a lemon because I need liquid for this recipe. But you can use water. You can use distilled water, but I choose to use lemon so that I can boost the strength of the lemon. You know, lemon can whiten skin or lighten skin. So you stir the mixture together. And you do the other one the same. You add the half of the lemon, then you squeeze it to get the water out. You can choose to use, I will not advise you to use fresh fruit. If you want to add a fresh fruit like the papaya, carrot and the rest, try and add preservative to it so that it can keep long for you. If there's no preservative, even though the soap can stay for a month or two, from there it can grow mold. So if you are using papaya fruit, any fruit that can whiten skin, if it's not in a powder form, please use preservative. It will help you. So you stir the mixture and make sure everything combined. Next, you store your lightening soap into a clean container. So now we have it and it's a strong lightening soap. I'm going to use it myself. I told you people I'm dark now. I have my own reason that I get dark. Now I want to start getting a little color back, you know, for Christmas. So I'm going to use this soap for myself. Yes. So try and make one and you are going to really like it, because most of my products I just test it. Most of my product test it myself. If I don't test it, I give it out to friends. So use on body and face every day if you want fast results, together with your lotion, together with your lightening lotion. But I'm not going to use lightening lotion for now. I'm going to use soap and exfoliate for 1 month before I start using lightening lotion. Store in a cool, dry place so you have your soap. That's it. You love it. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.